Hi, Brentek here, where tech is made simple. So earlier this month, I posted that Google had started rolling out generative AI overviews in search, which will begin rolling out to everyone in the United States, with more countries coming soon. Now, I'll leave that video in the end screen if you'd like some more info. But just a quick recap for today's video. Now, first of all, AI Overviews was available in my region previous to this announcement using the Search Labs as an experimental feature. But obviously, since that announcement has been removed. But this is a screenshot I took from that video I posted. And basically, a quick recap. An AI overview, basically using artificial intelligence, sums up your search and then provides you with an overview, as we can see. And then it gives you some relevant links at the bottom. So basically, as the name implies, it's an AI overview of your Google search, which I actually find in some circumstances could be handy and others not so handy. Now, just to let you know, and if you hadn't heard, that last week the AI overviews in search started giving some strange answers, which were quite funny and in some circumstances. And I've just pulled two examples. And the first was that AI overview suggested that you should add glue to stick cheese to pizza, and yes, that response. And then the second one I pulled was that you should drink urine to pass kidney stones. So it says you should aim to drink at least 2 quarts, 2 liters of urine every 24 hours, and your urine should be light in color. So very strange results, and obviously not correct. And we do know from most AI that there's always a disclaimer in the small print that says it could display inaccurate info, including about people, so double check its responses. So that's quite the norm. There's always a disclaimer. So some of these results, these search results using AI overviews, can be a little bit inaccurate. Now, regarding this, Google has posted a keyword blog post titled AI Overviews About Last Week, which I'll leave in the description if you want to go read the whole thing. But just a quick summary for the purpose of today's video. So basically, Google has said that AI overviews are designed to take that a step further, basically a Google search further, helping with more complex questions that might have previously taken multiple searches or follow-ups, while prominently including links to learn more. They carry on to say that AI overviews work very differently than chatbots and other LLM products that people may have tried out. They're not simply generating an output based on training data. So the next is they are now trying to explain those odd results, as in drinking urine and, adding a cup of non-toxic glue regarding cheese not sticking to pizza. So they carry on to say that separately there have been a large number of faked screenshots shared widely. Some of these faked results have been obvious and silly. Now, these two are not faked. These are actually original results. But there have been some fake screenshots according to Google. But some odd, inaccurate, or unhelpful AI overviews certainly did show up, as in these two, as mentioned. Now, while these were generally for queries that people don't commonly do, it highlighted some specific areas that we needed to improve. So basically, if one of those queries was, how many rocks should I eat? Now, Google says in response to that question and that example, there isn't much web content that seriously contemplates that question either, as in how many rocks should I eat? That is what is often called a data void or information gap, where there's a limited amount of high quality content about a topic. So when someone put that question into search, an AI overview appeared that faithfully linked to one of the only websites that tackled the question, and that website that it linked to was a geological software provider's website. So that's just an example Google gives. So they also mention that in some small cases, they say we have seen AI overviews misinterpret language on web pages and present inaccurate information. And they say we worked quickly to address these issues. So basically, here are the improvements that Google has said they have made regarding AI overviews. They say we've built better detection mechanisms for nonsensical queries that shouldn't show an AI overview, and limited the inclusion of satire and humor content. They've also updated their systems to limit the use of user-generated content in response that could offer misleading advice. They've also added triggering restrictions for queries where AI overviews were not proving to be as helpful. And in the case of health, they've launched additional triggering requirements to enhance their quality protections. So in addition to these improvements, they've also said they've been vigilant in monitoring feedback and external reports. So I just wanted to put it out there because obviously these responses went a little bit viral last week, and obviously Google now quickly trying to obviously kind of crisis control and obviously put the reason out why these responses appeared. And as we can see from that keyword blog post, according to Google, they are obviously now trying to make improvements and have made improvements according to that blog post. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.